Hi guys, so I've been trying to get my friend to hop on mm2 because I'll show you. I'll literally just show you. So she's been, ever since we got on a few days ago after being off Roblox, I decided I'd make a YouTube channel. And I made a YouTube channel and my first video was murder mystery. And before that, like 2 days before that, my friend was on with me. And that's how I decided to do my first video on M2. And she was on with me. And she kept going through people's profiles, looking at them whenever they join, looking for like good stuff. Because she liked a few things like, whoa. She liked a few things like ice piercer. I have ice piercer. I gave it to her for a lend, but I got it back. And she liked icing. It was okay. She didn't really mind it, but she said, "Whoa, it's huge," and all of that stuff. But the crazy thing is, she liked the bat and Heartblade, and I've been texting her up here, right up here. Please join me. I have something big. Because 5 minutes ago, I literally got Heartblade. She wants Heartblade. And yet again, she still won't text me back. She's playing a different game, but she can see the text. So I know she's ignoring me, but it's okay. It's okay. So I'm gonna use Heartblade, and when I post a video, she's gonna see it. Sorry about that, guys. And she's gonna want her Heartblade. Yeah. So. Oh my god, there's so many dogs barking. Okay, whatever. Anyways, so when she hops on, she's gonna see the Heartblade when she hops on my YouTube. And she'll know it's for her because I set her all them texts. She might have replied, but I might have not seen it yet. So, oh, I'm Sheriff. So we're gonna try out this to see. And if I like it, I might keep it. I'm joking, I'm giving it to her either way. Do you like my outfit, by the way? So this is my outfit check. This is from Super Mario. This is from Trading. This is from Trading. Oh no, I bought that. And then the heart flame, not the heart flame, the flame, I don't know. By the way, I can't hear. So you guys hear, but I can't. We're gonna look for the murderer. They might already. She was right. What is that girl called? She was right behind me. I shot the wrong person because she was just coming out, and I thought that it was her. Which one is it that I killed? There's so many E-girls in here. I don't know if you know what that is, but they're emo. Oh my god. They're probably teamers. Yeah, I shot her. Like, what is that outfit? I'm sorry, but you're not a furry. What do you have on? We have a few questions to ask her. Anyways. Yeah. Oh, my god. I think I might move servers after this round. After I get murderer. Gonna be a while, isn't it? I feel like that girl is the murderer. Wait, where is she? She was just here a minute ago. I can't hear the murderer. Okay, someone has flame. Okay, we're looking for tall, tan, flame. They are tall, definitely. That scared me. But I don't know where they are. It's gonna be... Oh! Okay, so flip. Yeah, they're definitely tall and tan. I'm just short maybe, but it's fine. They're definitely tall and tan. That hitbox. No, Netflix Queen shot me. Okay. Yes, look, she's tall, tan. I have that, but I really want that. And she's at least not an e-girl like that. But she is a tryhard. She broke my ankles with that hitbox. So I see my friend or no? Okay. Okay. I bet you she won't join me. I bet you. If we make it to 16 minutes, by the 16 minutes, I bet you she won't join me. I bet you 1 Robux she won't join me. This is probably going to be out by tomorrow. I'm not sure. I might post tomorrow. I might do 2 videos today. And then this might come out today and then the other one tomorrow. But all I know is soon I won't be able to post anymore, sadly. Sorry if there's lag also. I won't be able to post anymore because I'm moving houses and it's gonna take a while. She's alive. I don't know how many weeks it's gonna take us. And it's gonna take at least 4 or 2 months before I get on again. I'm just gonna have to film loads of videos and post them whenever, you know. So let's see. Do you wanna offer that? For that? Oh wait, not for that. For that. I'm good, thanks. Sorry. We're nearly to 10 minutes, so she basically only has 8 minutes left. I'm murderer. Okay, we're finally gonna leave this game because we finally have the sword thing, you've a heart blade, and we're gonna kill everyone. Yeah. Just gonna wait. Wait. Oh my god. I'm stuck. Oh no. That's crazy. I'm a spammer. I'm never joining a tryhard server again. Please don't say I'm in the same server. Please. Okay, that's probably an e-girl right there. So. Okay, what is that? Juicy. I'm so glad she doesn't have it on tryhard. Okay, we'll try it. Okay. Isn't that from Fortnite? Okay. I like this hair, girl. I mean, not hair. I'm gonna lay eggs in her hair. Can I? Let me? Oh. Okay, whatever. Innocence. Yay. Yay. So yeah. Let's just go. Let's just go. Okay, that's an e-girl and that's an e-boy. Literally taller than you. I don't know who they're saying that to. Oh, Super Legend. It's Sheena. Go. I sound like I have, like, I don't know. I sound like go. Yeah, I'm gonna have to delete a few bits out of this. Okay, I'm gonna speed this up. Speed it up. I said speed it up. That's the girl. No, it's not. Ankle's broken. So everyone who said I'm bad at murder games or like I'm bad at boy games, because people say these are boy games, they're not, thanks. Whoever said I'm bad at them, I'm not, thanks. Let me just... actually, you might have been right, but I broke her ankles like... So whoever said that I was bad at them games, I'm not, thanks. But, I broke her ankles, kind of. I was clicking on spectate, even though the game wasn't even ready. Yeah. Okay, guys, she has 2 minutes left to join. Or we end the video. Yeah. I'm ending it at 16 minutes because literally, what do you mean? I don't want to do it for, like, I'm not doing my highest video for, 20 minutes. Max is at least 19. Why is that girl following me? Oh my god. Oh, go! What? Okay, I'm okay, sorry. Okay, actually, why is everyone bald? Like, when I die, my hair doesn't fall off my head. Maybe she joined. Okay, she joined just on time. It's been 16 minutes. Okay, where is she? Where is she? I'm gonna have to blur out her name. Sorry, guys. Sorry. I need to trade her. How did she join on 16 minutes? How? How did she know? How did she know? Oh, she got it. No, she didn't. Wait, I'm gonna view her profile. Okay, I'll try it again. Okay, I'm scared. I'm gonna end it now and see what you guys, I'll see you guys later because I'm gonna call her. Why is she not? Did she do it? She did it. Good job. Okay, I'll end this video here, guys. Bye. I'll see you next time.